Hello everyone, I'm Pam from Life Aberdeenshire Libraries. I've just read a fantastic book that I'd like to share with you. I downloaded it from our digital library using Overdrive so that I can read it on my phone or my laptop, and you could do the same too. The book that I chose was Charlie and the Chocolate Factory by Roald Dahl. It's illustrated by Quentin Blake and the publisher is Puffin. This is the story of a boy called Charlie Bucket. Charlie's family are very poor, and some days all he eats is cabbage and cabbage soup. On his way to and from school, he walked past the chocolate factory. Charlie absolutely loved the delicious smell of chocolate coming from the factory and wished he could look inside. Willy Wonka owned the factory, and it was the biggest in the world. It made the most magical, mouth-watering chocolate. One day, Mr. Wonka decided to hold a contest. 5 golden tickets would be hidden inside 5 chocolate bars, and the 5 lucky winners would get a tour of the secret and magical chocolate factory. Does Charlie find a ticket? Does he tour the factory? What happens inside the factory? I could tell you, but that will spoil the story for you, so you'll have to read the book to find out. Can you imagine all of the magical things inside the chocolate factory? A hot chocolate river, magic gum, a fudge room, marshmallow pillows. I think I'd like to have a look around this factory too. This is a fast-moving, exciting and interesting story. I really enjoyed it. If you like chocolate, I'm sure you'll enjoy it too. There's a film of the book and a follow-up too, called Charlie and the Great Glass Elevator. I've put together some Charlie and the Chocolate Factory activities for you to do. There's lots of fun things in there. There's a word search. What would you do if you won a golden ticket? Design your own chocolate bar wrapper. And there's some colouring too. I hope you enjoy the book and the activities. See you all soon.